Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the joint and placing tape immediately. Clean the seam and remove dust so the compound bonds. Once done, unroll mesh tape and align it centered over the gap. Press the tape flat with your fingers, smoothing wrinkles. Next, load a 6 taping knife with a thin coat of all-purpose joint compound and apply directly over the mesh. Make sure the mud embeds the tape fully. This prevents air gaps and ensures adhesion as it dries. Once the initial coat is dry, assess for ridges and only sand high spots lightly. Avoid oversanding the mesh. Then apply a broader second coat with an 8-10 knife, extending beyond the first coat so you can feather the edges thinly into the wall. Use steady, light pressure and long strokes to smooth the compound. This builds a gradual transition and eliminates visible seams. Make sure each pass overlaps slightly, and that compound thickness is even to minimize final sanding. For the final finish, apply a thin skim coat using a 10-12 knife and feather well beyond previous coats to hide the repair. Once cured, sand with fine grit until smooth. Make sure to prime the repaired area before painting so sheen and texture match. If you see bubbling, peel back loose tape, remove compromised compound, let the wall dry, then retape and mud. If hairline cracks reappear, switch to a heavier fiberglass mesh and ensure joints have adequate compound coverage to prevent future movement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.